to the international. Welcome to the International School of Traders. And today is Thursday, and welcome to our Thursday Forex Market Watch and Signals. Guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, just drop it in the chat and drop it in the comments. We just want to look at the markets, what the market is doing today, what the market is doing right now at the moment before we trade, right? Cool stuff. I'm going to go ahead and discuss some of the news items that we have today. But I just want to know in the comments if you guys can hear me. Obviously, this is a recorded session. If you are seeing this on our YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe to this channel. Okay, awesome stuff. Very clear. That's beautiful. Now, let's get into the markets. Let us discuss what trades we are looking at today and what sort of things that we are going to discuss today. I'm going to go ahead and discuss some of the news items that we are looking at today. Where is my calendar? Here, cool. Okay, cool stuff. Now, in terms of the news item that we are looking at today, we've already seen some of the news that are coming from Britain today. Today, we are looking at the interest rates decision in South Africa. And my outlook is that they are going to keep the interest rate decision at 3.5%. And as their forecast is listed here, so I'm not worried about that. And then the ADP non-farm employment change is also going to be released today, and initial jobless claim is going to be released today. It's 3:30 South African time. And then Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index will also be released at 3:30. Those are the news that we are looking at today. And then later on, nothing much that we can say it's going to move the market that way. It's only going to be price action the way we see it or the way we want to see it, right? Cool. Now let's go into the market and let us see what sort of news do we have today. Let us check on the markets. Guys, I have a guest today on my left-hand side, so you guys won't see the guest, but just keep on looking at the guest if you know guest is happy or something like that. Okay, cool. Now today, let's look at KJPY. KJPY played out as we discussed yesterday, even though I didn't take a trade yesterday, but it played out as we discussed yesterday. So this was a beautiful market coming to this level. The trade that we took earlier this week around here was a much earlier trade. Then trades that came after that was if we did take some, if we would have taken some trades. Hey guys, English is not my mother language, right? Okay, cool. So if we took some trade or whatsoever around those lines, if we took some trades this week, would have been played out so perfectly here. This was an early entry. This was the perfect entry right here. And then the GBP/AUD didn't come down to the level that we were looking at. I think the most important one is going to be XAUSD right now, right? So XAUSD, which is gold, is one of the trades that we discussed yesterday. Gold yesterday did play out as we were discussing, right? We spoke about this level right here, the very important level right here. The market did push towards the top side, meaning that this level was a strong level of resistance, but not quite strong as we wish. Or maybe, let's say the liquidity providers pushed this market towards the top side as they noticed that retail traders are coming in. I took another trade earlier this morning because I know that, not really like no, I still have a little bit of understanding that this market can still go towards the downside and its lower levels, which is 1834 per ounce of gold. Okay. Looking at other trades this afternoon, we're looking at okay, I did check some of the trades that we spoke about earlier this week, and to be honest with you, nothing for me, nothing at the moment is very hot and ready to be taken. Nothing is like hot and waiting to be taken by us. unless you want to take chances and start, taking the trades. So we want to, I don't know, but there's nothing at the moment that is ready to be taken. All the trades that we discussed, either they went to our direction or they didn't, and everything that we have been expecting has gone to some direction. But looking at some of the things, Ethereum is still at that level, and I believe that Ethereum is going to move towards the top side. I think the biggest trade, the biggest talk of the town today should be XAUSD, which is gold. XAUSD, which is gold, and some of other trades that we can discuss later on, but XAUSD is the one that we should be looking at. On other items, I'm not too happy with the structure that we are seeing. Unless you guys want me to look at one or two trades since we still have time, just here in the comments, just let me know. If you have a trade or setup that you want to discuss, just drop it in the chat right now so that we can discuss it very quickly. Okay, if there is a trade that you want us to discuss, drop it in the chat. Okay, awesome stuff. We've got US 30 direction and NASDAQ direction that we are seeing in the comments. So let's look at US 30, US 30, Okay, in terms of how I'm looking at US 30, I don't know if I did discuss with you guys. Was I discussing with the class or something? I said there's something called the scallop formation that usually does like this. And in most cases, market comes in and do like this, then changes direction to the top side once again. In this case right here, that's what I'm seeing. It's like markets wanna go down, but I'm not for the sellers. Obviously, when I'm trading, I do not trade to sell NASDAQ. I do not trade to sell US 30. I do not trade to sell S&P 500, right? So in terms of US 30, Okay. Just one more thing. Yeah, just one more thing. I just want to confirm. Okay. So this is what I want. This is what I want to say. US 30. As much as I am all for the buyers, looks like US 30 at the moment is trying to create a double bottom, and then I think this is the case. Market is going to change direction and go towards the downside, and then from there start going towards the top side. That is what I'm currently seeing on US 30. This is what I'm currently seeing. Market coming down to this level, bouncing, and then going towards the top side once again. If that doesn't happen, then we are going to continue in a bullish direction as we wish, right? I hope the person that requested yesterday in the comments is happy. Another one was NASDAQ. Okay, cool. So on NASDAQ, yeah. I don't even know what I'm doing now. Okay, I'm trying to discuss NASDAQ. So let me check on the comments. GBPSD. Okay, cool. So NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ is not going to be easy. So this is where most traders get hurt, right? When they're trying to sell in this zone. For me, as much as it's convincing that markets want to go down, I wouldn't sell. But if it does go down, I would wait for market to reach this level or lower levels, and then look for what? Look for buy options. Yeah. Or even lower than this. Even lower than this. Yeah. But I'm always for the buyers and stuff. Okay. Cool. Somebody requested GBPSD. Okay. I'm still here, guys. Don't worry. Still here. Oh my God. Okay, currently gold GBPSD pushed towards the top side. I believe that we are at the right area for markets to change direction from here towards the downside. So yeah, this is the right, I think we are at the right area. The only thing now is going to be the entry. Okay, the only thing now is going to be the entry. Don't you test my patience? Okay. Cool. Let's go. Someone asked for you to switch off. How do you ask for you to switch off? Okay, yeah. Okay. Gross CHF is not where I want it to be. It's not doing the things that I'm thinking it should. So I'm not quite happy with it. Gross CHF. I think I've discussed all the trades that you guys have requested here in the comments. Yeah. Okay, cool, guys. I have a one-on-one session coming up. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.